also want to thank God for what He has done to us, especially in our agricultural sector and food production sector. A few years ago, not too long, we had stunts in our streets because of hunger. I must say, and I must thank God, that God has given us favorable weather. And we want to thank God for the rains in our nation. For the last 2.5 years, we've had favorable weather. Our agriculture is doing well. We have increase in our tea sector. We have a better paying coffee sector. We have reformed our sugar sector. It is doing well. And our tea and our milk dairy sector is equally improving. We thank God for the blessing of having food on our tables, for having our agricultural sector moving in the right direction. Let me also say this. Our children are a heritage given to us by God. And the best gift we can give to our children is to make sure that they have the best education.